So let's talk about our business agreement with Atlassian. What does it mean? So we're going to talk about specifically what Atlassian covers versus what you cover. So the Atlassian BAA covers only a certain subset of their core products. So Jira Software, Jira Service Management, Confluence, Product Discovery, and some pieces of the Rovo AI. They also only cover licensing on the BAA, will only cover those who have a standard, premium, or enterprise license. A BAA is not available for free plans or trials. On top of signing a BAA, you also need to go through Atlassian's HIPAA implementation guide, as well as tagging your apps, basically turning on the HIPAA compliance tagging for all of this to be, the BAA to be enforceable. Now, something to note is you need to monitor in the BAA if there's an expiration date. There's a line to specify when it expires. Make sure you know what that date ends up being. If it's a 10-year agreement, if it's a 5-year, so that you can put a reminder to check in. Now, Atlassian will possibly, if they make any changes to the BAA, they let you know. They may let you know that it's about to expire, but ultimately that's your responsibility. So make note of that. Now, something very important about Atlassian's BAA is it does not in any fashion include marketplace apps or your setup. The setup is your responsibility. It is your responsibility to make sure that you set up your instance. Atlassian's agreeing that the instance is able and has been developed so that you can put the PHI data in it. Their end of the bargain is saying the tool is capable. Here's guidance on how to do it, but it's your responsibility to make sure you actually put it in place. So it's a shared responsibility between you and Atlassian. The way to activate HIPAA compliance or the BAA, you can do this through your org administration. So not your app admin menu, but the admin administration for your whole entire organization. You'll go there, you'll go to security, data protection, and then kick off the HIPAA compliance. So just to reiterate, signing a piece of paper does not make your organization compliant. Atlassian agrees to secure the infrastructure. Once you've signed that BAA, that there's encryption at rest, that there's physical servers, that where the data is being stored is on a physical server. You are responsible for who has access, how they use it, and what they type into the ticket fields. I mentioned that implementation guide. Atlassian does require you to configure the instance according to that implementation guide before you upload data. After implementing Jira for over 200 companies, we've seen the same failure story over and over. The Jira adoption started out small and then grew into a free-for-all mangled web of customizations that just didn't scale. If that's you, that's exactly what we help you fix. If you want help implementing or fixing Jira in a way that will grow with you no matter your success, hit the first link in the description below.